What's up, y'all? I'm back again. I've had a full day in between the last time I streamed and now. But that issue is stuck on my mind. It's oh my gosh. You don't understand. It's pissing me off. So yeah, I gotta figure out what's going on. I was on my walk with Roscoe and I was thinking about my current approach to debugging. I think I was off to a decent start, but now I think what I should do is, well, first I think I'm gonna have to figure out how to build the project because I think it's TypeScript. If it's not, then maybe I don't have to do anything. That's even better. But if I can prove that, or at least to myself, if execution goes to the local version of that project, that package, then theoretically I should be able to modify whatever files that I'm looking at in the stack trace, and maybe print out additional information or something along those lines. Maybe I can't put a breakpoint. I don't know. Maybe I could put a debugger statement, and I want to say that would get caught so long as it's running in the same thread, which I think it would be. Yo, what's up, Casual Economist? I don't understand. So I see your comment in, I wonder if I'm having an issue. I see your comment like on my screen, I think. Oh, never mind. I see you now. Never mind. Yeah. Hello. How are you? How you doing? I'm on vacation, staycation. So I'll probably be streaming a little bit more this week and putting out videos that not like really effortful videos, more just like videos just to meet the goal of I gotta do 50 for the year. Same here. It was on the screen. Doing pretty good. That's good. I'm doing all right myself. Went out to grab lunch with Yanni, and we went to pop it up. So that was fun. Bike vibe. Yeah. Right now, like I'm using my bike ride as a, I don't know. It's kind of like, it gives me an excuse to kind of go out, and like, given that I have an action camera, may as well throw it on there. That's the most immersive thing I can think of that I do. Now, once I start like flight school, like actually like in the air, maybe I'll take it out then. And that would be a different type of, of use case. So I would change certain settings, and that's part of what I want to figure out. Like, what are the best settings for the things that I'm most likely to do? So when I travel, there are a few things that I'm doing the most often. It's generally walking. That's part of the point. I like to go walk and like go to markets and eat, like food markets, not shopping for clothes. It's the worst. All right. Oh wow, I'm hearing static. If you're hearing that, I don't know what to say. I'm sorry. All right, let me make sure that, oh man, I still hear it. Okay, let's share the screen. And interesting. Give me a second. I don't know where this static is coming from. It's annoying me. I have a suspicion it's this phone, so I'll just set it over here. How about that? Yeah, we'll just put it right over here. That can be the monitor station. Okay. Look at that. Wait, hold on. Y'all can see my screen. Oh well, it's fine. Hopefully these images aren't copyrighted by Apple. uh, I didn't read the license, and I know none of y'all did either. You go through the setup, you just click next, accept, like just trying to get to use your computer. Those things shouldn't be legally enforceable though. All right, let's figure out what's going on. We have a blank slate. I had to log out because some weirdness was happening with one of my applications, or one of my services rather. So the thing that I am having, the thing that I'm running into is I get this error stating that my token needs to be a private, or I'm sorry, my private or public key needs to be an asymmetric token or something like that, using the RS-256 algorithm. I feel like I have some of these things, but there are obviously some issues, or apparently, I don't know, whichever word it is. Let's open up Visual Studio. Why is this not in the center? What the fuck? We're gonna open up this thing. Actually, no, we're not gonna open it up that way, because then I'll have to figure out where the project is, and I don't know where it is. We'll open up desktop. Look at that. All right, still going. All right, so okay, it's not interference. I don't know what it is. All right, well, this is the, oh my gosh, that's annoying. It's annoying me. This is the, what is this? The library that is throwing the issue, like where the errors is originating from. So we'll also open this. We'll open this now. Maybe. Why is my computer so slow right now? What the hell? Look at that. There we go. Now there is a little bit of weirdness here. So I'm gonna open up another instance of Visual Studio Code and go into the node module. So first we'll go into node modules, and then it's Authenticating like that. And then you'll see there's a bunch of things here, right? So we'll open up an instance here. Now the reason why I'm doing this is that it's easier for me. Like I know all the shortcuts I need to do to find things. We'll make this a little bit bigger, slightly. Git repository, yes, I don't care. Just like, no, leave me alone right now. Don't need any of that. Don't care. Okay. So each one of these in themselves will have, okay, all right, cool. So we have a few instances. Can we make these different colors? That would be awesome if I could label this. Yeah, that would, okay, all right, maybe not. All right. The names are very close. Okay, so at Authenticating is going to be the node modules. What I'm gonna do is throw this here. Authenticating.js is going to be the library itself. So desktop 3 is the node modules of desktop 2. That. And then I also need to open up my project. Whoa. Wait, what? Whoa. What's happening? What did it just do? Okay. That was weird. Wait, what? All right, that was interesting. I think that's a Mac OS issue though. All right, so let's go on and get this on. This is probably fine here. We can keep it. And where it's failing is whenever I try to get a file, I think, we're gonna do this GitHub app, git installation authenticate, where we're gonna pass in this installation ID. And at some point it's going to bubble up and try to get some type of token. I don't know. Now, I don't know if the token is the thing that I'm giving it or if it's something else, but that's part of that's the goal. You know, try to figure that out. All right, let's open up some notes. Wait, what is this? What's today? The 30th. What do I want to figure out? It's that get token. Get token does and what, and how to inspect the data of the argument. Okay, all right. I can close all these other things that are going to distract me. Can I make this bigger? Oh yeah, look at that. Ah, yeah, that's dope. Put this over here. All right, so I got to get kind of like a test bin. I don't know. I got to get things set up, you know, warmed up, lubricated. Not over there. Over here. Oh, and I also need to open up a text editor off screen for my environment that none of you will ever be able to see. Hopefully, I don't know. I can always fuck up. I do that often. Ah, see, look at that. Look, it opened up there. All right. Fortunately, it doesn't have whatever the thing is that I needed. So we'll open it up now. Okay, perfect. Except it doesn't have the freaking secret. I forgot to save it. God dang it. So we'll do GitHub app. I'm defining an environment variable and my environment file off screen. That's what's happening. So this is going to be GitHub app sk equals. It's going to be the secret at some point. Make sure the file ends in a new line, as all files tracked in Git must end in. Okay, so we'll save that. All right. Apparently a change has been made here. I don't know what's changed, but let's open up a terminal and I'll make it a little bit bigger, slightly more there. Let's go. You know what? I need an alias. I'm getting tired of like doing this. Yeah, let's do that. So I'm going to make an alias where it will always go to wherever the hell this file is, this folder, this directory, always, because I'm tired of doing it. So we're going to do CD. I'm just going to define the alias right quick. So it'll be CD, and then I'm going to spell it out completely. Yeah, actually, yeah, I'll spell it out completely. It's fine. So we'll do users, and then I am Will Shepherd. See, the reason why I was thinking this because I could just do tilde, and I'm not sure if that gets expanded properly when. Anyway, so we'll do whoever that is. That's me, I think. We'll do that, and then I think it's code that y that. Okay, so I'm going to define the alias based on this. All right, and I'm not gonna open this. Oh fuck! Wait, where is this? Who is this? I'm gonna open this off screen because this is my, my real things. So we'll go to my ZSHRC. I have some things in there that I probably shouldn't have in there that I should anyway, I'm gonna do it the way that I do it. Okay, so I'm using a shell. Is that a terminal emulator? I'm gonna just call it a shell. I'm using the shell called ZSH. I think it's the default shell on new versions of Mac OS, maybe. Someone can go figure that out and put it in the chat. But because I'm using ZSH or Z shell, I can specify certain things in my ZSHRC file, and I can show an example of that. I'm not going to show mine. I'll show an example of that on screen here though. In the meantime. Man, I remember when this M1 used to be fast. Not anymore. Oh man, I didn't spell that right at all. Oh man, his is perfect. Maybe I should make mine better. Maybe I should just copy him. All right, let's see. Here is his RC file. So, oh my gosh, this noise is annoying me. I know y'all hear it because I hear it. I'm monitoring in real time. So here is his thing. Let's see if he defines any aliases. Yeah, he does. So he's defined some aliases here. There's also a special syntax. You can do like alias and then the name and then equals whatever the thing is, the command. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to do alias and we'll call this YT, no wait, at YTSB. YouTube Slack. Yeah, that seems fine. I'm gonna just paste the command that I typed in over there, and then we'll go ahead and do that. I'll save it. That's what do that means. And then over here, I'll just like reload my shell, and that would be. I'm in the directory. I'm tripping. ZHR that. Okay, so here now, if I do YT, whoa, guys, what did I call it? YT Slackbot. Now it takes me to whatever that is. All right, so I did all of that, so I never have to freaking do it again. Now I just have to know how to type, and that's its own other. That's this whole other set of problems. So I got to start my. What do I need to start? My proxy server. Yeah, I should probably start that. So that's here, and here's where it comes in clutch. So yes, I did all that work, but now I can do YTSB, and oh my gosh, look at that. So we'll do yarn. You know what? Hold on, wait. That's not even enough. That's not even enough. Let's go back. Let's pretend that I didn't show that. Like I was just over here, you know, doing things manually. Let's be a little smarter. I can do this. Watch it not work. And then I have to go and fix it. And then I can say, go ahead and start that tunnel. Do that. Wait, is that what I want to do? Look at that. Look at that. You don't even understand. Okay. So that's now all done. We can close that. We don't care about that anymore. Do we care about this? We'll hide it for now. Okay. Now let's start this server up. Actually, you know what? Where did it go? That's okay. I actually want this on another desktop. We'll move this over here. This could be my I'm like figuring shit out desktop. Just like figure it out. And on this desktop, we'll open up this thing, Firefox Developer Edition. Okay, and we'll put that over here. Yeah, we'll put it there. And eventually, if I need to pull up the, actually, I actually don't need this as a client. Yeah, I don't need this as a client. The issue is, I can do this from shortcuts. I can do it from a curl request too, and maybe that's, yeah, I think that's probably a little bit more ergonomic for me. So let's open up now Rapid API. I hate that they renamed it. So we'll open this up, and do I have a project? Yes, I do. Look at that. Perfect. Close that out. Now it should be already in here. Test GitHub route, update, get active stream. I think this is what this is. Yeah. It takes the, all right, so all I need to do is just copy this authorization, which should still be valid. I think I got rid of that expiration, I hope. And if I didn't, oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm gonna do. All right, so I should be able to just do this. And the reason why I like this is that I know the keyboard shortcut. I don't know it in shortcuts. The irony of that. Okay, so let's go ahead and close that. Oh yeah, and this too. Get rid of all that. Hopefully this is the right endpoint. I don't remember. Anyways, let's get a dev server up. Okay. Actually, maybe it makes more sense to put it up there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to see. I don't know. Let's see. Let's just run it. What's the server? It's not localhost 3000. I actually don't know the dang. I don't remember the. We'll just look at shortcuts and see what the route is. I don't remember what it is. It is. Go away. It's whatever that is. I'll just copy it. It looks like it's the same thing. In fact, I think it is the same thing. I don't know why that failed. Localhost API active stream. Yeah, that's the same thing. It's the same request. Oh wait. Oh, it did compile. What? Wait. What? I actually don't understand how I got that 404. Yeah, that's what I just got. But it's still compiled. Somehow the request was received and it went to the right place. That's interesting. I don't believe this error, this 404, unless I'm returning the 404 like a dumbass, which, you know, that could be it. Let's go to active stream just to see what's happening over there. See if there's anywhere where I throw or return a 404. So I see status code. So let's see where else I'm doing status code. Unauthorized. I don't think that's a 404. Forbidden, that's not a 404. Conflict is not a 404. What is conflict though? 409, okay. Yeah, at no point do I return a 404. So that must mean that next is doing that, which doesn't make sense to me. I don't understand what this app module imports mean. Where this, I'm gonna see what this. Let's ask ChatGPT. How do I do that? Is it that? Copilot. I don't even know, man. How do you do this? Open completion? No, quick chat. Is that what I want? Wait. It's the error. Wait, hold on. It's line 1, this, in JSON web token. Let's go there. What's that? Line 111. Ah. Ah, okay. All right, so okay, we're getting a little, okay. We're getting somewhere. I think this is relevant information here. Let's put this in my notes. So this is, what is this? This line. Okay, so this is saying if it's not a secret or a private key, so I'm gonna have to figure out what the hell that is. Any? Oh, it's JavaScript. God dang it. Okay, that literally can. Okay. All right, falsy. Okay, so if it's not truthy, it's another way of saying it. At least that's how I'm gonna think about it. And we're looking options algorithm is not equal to none. Whoa. What error was I getting? Must have, yeah, I'm getting this value. Or yeah, must have a value. Options algorithm none. What? I definitely thought I was passing options here. Oh my gosh, like if there's one of these bullshit ass new, wait, private, all right, app ID, private, webhooks, options. Fuck. Wait. Oh, okay. All right, never mind. Client secret. No, that's for OAuth. So we don't care about that. OctaKit. No, I don't think that's it either. What do they mean by options? What the hell is this options thing? Where is this being set? Is this, oh, it's okay. It's being, okay. This is coming in. I got it. So something is setting this. So maybe I want to put like a little debugger statement here. And this could be my test, right? So if I put a debugger here, it's JavaScript, so I'll go ahead and do the thing. Let's see if, let's just see what happens. And let's go into this thing and we'll just do uncaught exceptions. Nah, we're not. All right, let's run the request or submit the request again. See what happens. Nothing. Wait, hold on. Null, where is this null coming from? What the hell? Am I writing to the screen? Or right, yeah, am I writing? Only one. Where's this null coming from? I'm gonna move this over here because the response isn't relevant. So, I mean, it doesn't really matter if you can't see it. Okay. All right, now I'm not getting any requests or any response. Interesting. I'm not convinced that this is going to the server at all. I'm getting a 404. I'm getting this cannot post thing. What the hell? What's the name? All right, what is this route? Did I change the name? It's API active stream. And what port is this running on? It should be 3000, right? Let's check. Oh, fuck. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. I see what's going on. I see what's happening. Yo, what's up, Hella Good Eats? Okay. I know what's going on. Let's open up Obsidian. That bitch. Oh my gosh, I hate this. So here's what's happening. Let's do this. And now there is a presentation thing. What is the thing called? Like presentation or something? Yeah, that. I need a stop. Oh, slides. How about that? Yeah, slides. Okay, so it doesn't clean up after itself. God dang it. Okay. What's the name of the freaking thing? Sloth. Let's do some slothing. All right, so I am interested only in IP socket. Yeah, sure. We'll just say 3000. Next router. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. God dang it. Freaking. Why are they? Wait, is this my fault? Is this something that I can configure? Because if it is, maybe I should configure it. Let's look for slides. Do I have slides? I don't see slides. Oh, never mind. Advanced slides. I'm done. All right. All right. Look at that. Okay. Okay. All right. William, it's my fault. What's today's date? 04. So 4330. How about that? 4300. It's good enough for me. So in the meantime, I'm going to kill this process. Come on now. Freaking go away. There we go. Yeah, go. Yeah. Perfect. All right. So as a result of that, oh my gosh, that if I refresh, it should load. Okay. Oh my gosh. All right. Two processes were listening to the same port or reading from the same file. However you want to think of it. Oh my gosh. Okay, all right. That was the first issue. Let's. Now I shouldn't get the 404. Let's see. Let's see. Look at that. Now I get a 500. Even worse, but no 404. We're good. Oops. Where did you go eat today, Hella Good Eats? What was hella good today? What did you hella eat? Do y'all have food out where y'all say hella in the Bay? Is it good? I don't know. I don't know if it is. All right, so I should maybe be getting more information now. Maybe. Uh-oh. Wait, compiled. Wait. Did it just recompile, or was that just me being dumb? All right, somewhere I'm getting null. Okay. Where? How? I don't understand why. Where am I like logging something somewhere? Am I gonna have to wait? Can I go to debug console? No. Okay. I wonder if this is just part of. It's not. Client JS. Next React Dev client. Okay. I don't know if I care about that. Let's collapse this. Is it not gonna collapse? No. Fine. Fine. Don't collapse. All right. Arc error secret must have a value. Yeah. We got that. All of this other stuff. This is the stack trace, by the way. You know what? How about I stop printing the message? Because wait, why is that printing the whole thing? That shouldn't be happening. All right, it's not getting that far, is it? Oh no, that's in the catch. What in the hell is that noise? Just at the house, trying to eat healthier. How about you? I'm at the house too. I'm not really trying to eat healthier, but I'm improving my daily habits. I've been jump roping almost every day. I've missed a couple days, but that's because I have it's not like I'm over here being lazy. It's like I don't want to not be able to walk. Like I like having the ability to not use a wheelchair, you know, be able to swing a leg up over my bike and go and ride. What's a statisticity? Statusy? I don't know. What's that? Why am I getting this stuff? You know what? I'm gonna pull this out, and then I'm gonna have ChatGPT I don't know, just figure this out, do something with this. That's what I'm gonna tell it, literally. I'm gonna give it all of this crap. Just be like, here, take this. Wait, why can't I? Okay, I can. Can I copy it or not? So we'll call it log. Oh my gosh, is it really gonna wait? Look for the okay. Secret key. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wait a minute. Wait. You know what? No, that shouldn't be an issue because I remember I defined the key. I literally hard coded the key in code. I was about to say, oh, it could be that this doesn't exist. And indeed, it didn't exist at one point in life. But it's going to be hard to get this out of the environment. For whatever reason, .env doesn't allow me to actually, let's see, maybe if maybe, let's see, .env, multi-line in variable value. See if there's multi-line support. Yeah, look, someone else, yeah. A complete, I mean, honestly, you just, okay, whatever, it doesn't work. Can be replaced with. Wait, closing since it's been pretty quiet. What library? Oh, this is .env, okay. Is this under him? Is this the .env? I thought it was, oh, I guess it is, it looks like it. Okay, so it was added a while back. Okay. Multi-line values. Okay, well, let's see, how do I do that? If you need multi-line variables, for example, private keys. Let's make this bigger. Also make it a little bit. Okay. Those are now supported, okay, with line breaks. Alternatively, you can double quote strings and use the slash and nah, fuck that, I don't want to do that. Okay, let's go to my text editor. And I'm gonna add it to the bottom just to make my life a little bit easier. And let's copy it. So we'll use that new Swiftly thing that I have here to get there. And now we will copy the private, whatever that is, key. Why does it always delete that? That's weird. PB, I'm gonna alias this. Of course, because I said Kobe. Okay. And then I'm gonna just paste it in my environment over here, like so. All right, I've just pasted it so that it looks similar to whatever that I just saw. Whatever I was just looking at, I forgot. I've already forgotten. All right, am I still running? Yes, I am. It reloaded the M, so it saw that I saved it. And one thing I want to check is this value coming in? Like, is it actually coming? So, wait, what did I call it? I forgot what I called it already. Did I call it GitHub app SK? GitHub app SK, yeah, I did, perfect. So I'm going to assign this to a variable just so that I can look at it. So this would be GH app SK. And that would be equal to that. And then we can just put it here. And I'll log it. And we'll just say app secret GHSK. And I'm not going to print the whole thing. That's too much effort. Actually, nah. I'm going to print enough. How about that? Enough to be convinced that it's the right thing, I guess. Like substring or something like that. And we'll take the first, let's say 100 characters. How about that? That should be good enough, right? Cool, so that's there. I'm just gonna have this off to the side and I'm gonna just do the thing. What do we get? Okay. GHSK. Ah, look at that. It's not reading all of the lines. It's not doing what it told me it would do. That's no good. go back to their docs and see what they have to say for themselves. Is your jump rope improving? Yes and no. It's improving in the sense that my first 2 days, you know, it was a little hard, but I've been jump roping for a while, so like it kind of like I'm kind of back to okay. But what I'm noticing is that my stamina, now that it's improving, my form is also improving, so I'm making less mistakes. So I was making more mistakes mainly because of my stamina, so I couldn't jump over it all the time or keep rhythm, because to keep rhythm you have to be able to do it and breathe, and your body can't be hurting. I'm over here having cramps. Like right now my knees hurt. Oh my gosh, you don't understand. Where's this multi-line? I saw it somewhere. Multi-line. Yeah, how does this work? What rules does the parsing engine follow? Double quoted values expand new lines. New, okay, becomes new line. Is there not another way to specify this? It says with v15. Let's see what version of .env I'm using. I'm pretty sure it's later than v15. Oh, I'm not using. Oh, okay. Let's see what. I have a suspicion. We'll go into node modules and we'll next. Yeah, next. And they should have some node modules. And I guess we'll just look through them and see what we see. Oh, they only have 2. All right, that's interesting. I was expecting to see what's that thing called? .env. How are they loading? Because apparently I'm not loading the environment. So how does next load the environment? Why do I need to know how next loads the environment? Is so that I can understand what it's doing. Actually, you know what? Maybe they document it. Maybe I need to get in the habit of looking at docs first. Next, JS. And we'll go into their docs and let's just look for env environment variables. Okay, so maybe it'll say it here. Oh, look at here, they do have some words. Or replace /n and nah. See, yeah, I don't want to do that. Actually, you know what, it's not that big of a deal. I could use a text editor to do that. Yeah, it's fine. Screw it. I'll just do it in a text editor. Off screen, obviously. So let's take all of that. Open up a new one of these. Okay, we're gonna search for all new lines. And let's make sure that this is not a regular expression. Actually, yeah, we can make that a regular expression. And then I want to, how do I open up replace, toggle replace? Okay, replace. I want to replace all of those with, wait, what do I want to replace them with? A literal new line. So double slash. Oh, interesting. I don't know if I like that. Okay, so after I do that, I guess I'll replace the first one to see what happens. That seems to be working, so we'll replace all. All right, so, all right, cool. So I'm gonna now move this back over. I know y'all can't see it, but you know, just pretend. Imagine it. All right, now I have used a text editor in the way that it was meant to be used. And I have done the thing. So I've added in new lines. All right. So we should have gotten a new environment. Perfect. Now I'm gonna rerun the thing, which should recompile it. Okay. This is okay. I'm getting the same issue. Okay, so all right, at least now we're getting to the issue. All of that. And now we can begin to start to debug. Except not yet. I will be right back. I'm back. I went and got some chips. Anyway, let's jump back into it. Oh, excuse me. Oh, and let me go back to ChatGPT. It was still saying things, and then I just went on and ignored it. All right. Let's see. Check the secret key. Ensure it's being passed. So I do need to confirm that this thing. Oh, okay, we did confirm it. GitHub SK. Yep, perfect. The first 100 characters. So I'm convinced. that that value is not null, undefined, or some other thing that it should not be. All right, so we'll come back to, wait, why do I have this open in two places? Close that. Active stream. All right, cool. So here we will not do this. And because I'm convinced, I will just dump that here. No need to define the whole new constant. And I also don't need to write it out anymore. I'm good. Okay. Honestly, I don't even need this. Let's just do that. Cool. Now we should be getting the same error, right? So the next step is to trace this through. So I may need to do a little bit of confirming. Oh, maybe I am confirming. Load node module authenticated node modules. Nope, no, it's not going to the right place. Actually, it may be going to the right place. Let's check. So we will open up a new one of these. That'll make my life easier. Get this out of my way. Okay, so we'll go into user, local, and this would be what? Lib node modules. Oh, that was weird. Okay, so I'm going to list out everything, but I'm gonna, oh my gosh, this is annoying. That sound. I'm going to grep for Authenticating. All right. I did that because I wanted to see if this is a symlink, and or like a symlinked directory, and it doesn't seem to be. Okay. Why? Did I change the node version at some point? Let's come back to here. This is the thing in question, the library in question. All right, so we'll do npm link. Uh-oh. What are we getting? Oh, okay, so let's fly in here. I had the door open. So we'll run that again, but this time using sudo. Okay. Password. So it didn't do anything. So I guess the symlink is already there. Maybe. Let's see if there is any tooling in here that can help me with determining what I've linked. Oh, if this is a man file, then I should have it here too. So we have npm, what is the prune? Or no, link. Let's look for link. For what it's worth, I have no idea what's going on. So that's why this is, I don't know where this is going. Maybe this is as simple as I have to pass in some random ass option that isn't documented, or that is documented. I just didn't see it every time I read the instructions. What kind? What are you talking about? Hello goodies. What do you mean? What kind of what? I don't know. Okay, first npm link in package folder. Okay, we'll create a symlink in the global folder. Prefix lib node okay package. That links to the package where the npm link command was like. Oh wait, do I need to go inside of the thing? Wait, hold on, I'm in the wrong one. That I think. Maybe I need to go inside of Authenticating. User local lib no modules. Is there any symlink in here? Nah. These all look like regular files. All right, I'm gonna do something. Maybe stupid, but I don't care. I'm gonna remove that directory. Maybe I can just do npm remove. Let's see what that does first. We'll say npm remove -g octokit. Gosh. Sudo. Why do I have to keep entering my password? I don't know. I don't trust that it did what any. Okay, never mind. I should trust it. Never mind. I see. I am wrong. All right. So we'll come back here and let's see what npm link does. Now remember, this is the library in question. But I need to make sure I'm in the right directory. So here, I think. Let's confirm. Let's package. Make sure this is the right thing. Yes, authkit. Perfect. So, do I need to do anything here? Nope. So we'll do npm link. Oh my god, I keep. Added one package. Okay, let's go back here. Do we see a package? Ah, look at that. It's symlinked. Okay, so that was the issue. All right. So at one point I must have installed it and then I tried to do the symlink. It pretended like it worked, but maybe it never did, or maybe I'm just, I don't know. It could be a factor of things. Cool. So now I have my symlink there. Honestly, like that's, yeah, that should be it. Other than now in my thing over here, let's re-add it. So we'll stop the server and I'm gonna do, this is my project, so I can use yarn remove, or yeah, I think it's remove or maybe delete. Anyway, we're gonna do remove and then we'll say, I think it's just octokit. I forgot. Let's just confirm. Octo. Wait, it's not here. What the fuck? Wait, how is this working? Like, how, wait, how was that error happening? I don't see the dependency unless I haven't ran a yarn or not a yarn. I haven't ran yarn in a while. So maybe I still have the node modules for GitHub authkit. Yep, that's it. That's okay. So it is linked here. For whatever reason, it's still linked here. What's at octokit? Oh, this is the octokit. Okay, I see. Okay, so I have two things that I'm gonna have to do. We'll say yarn remove octo. I'll just copy it. Screw it. This is easier. Remove this. That's not what I wanted to do. Remove that and octokit like that. This isn't. Wait, what? Yeah, I know, but whatever. We'll remove it this way. Octokit. And octokit. All right, cool. So now I'm gonna add npm link, and then it should be octokit. I think that's it. Maybe. Let's confirm before I do it. I have a feeling I'm wrong. All right, npm link. All right, it will also link to bin. Yeah. No npm link. Yeah. Next another location. Nope, never mind. I'm right. Look at that. I'm always right. I knew I was right. I was just testing y'all. Let's go do the thing. It better work too. I'm over here talking all this shit. What? While resolving jest, I don't care about jest. Found node 20, could not resolve, I don't care. Those don't matter to me, so we'll move forward. Cannot find AuthKit. Well, it should be there now. But it's not. Do I need, wait, do I? Okay, let's, obviously I'm not done. There's something else I have to do. Note the package name is taken from package.json, not from the directory name. Okay, the package name can be optionally prefixed with a scope. And create, okay, for example, go into package directory, npm link redis. Now any change to prefix redis will be reflected. Okay, yeah. I feel like I've just done that. So it doesn't, when you link this way, it doesn't add it to your dependencies. Let's see if the editor will help me. We'll say AuthKit. That. Can I give it a directory? Can I do that? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, fuck. I'm dumb. Okay. I understand now why I don't see AuthKit here. Where? All right. Did I run that command here? If I ran that command here, I'm an idiot. Yep, I did. Wait, no. I'm not an idiot. Never mind. I'm not an idiot yet. I ran it in the wrong place. I should have ran it here. So let's look at package.json here and see if we have AuthKit. We don't. Okay. So maybe I can add it here. Let's see if it can figure it. Let's see if it just knows. Okay, it knows AuthKit. Nah. Is it that it can't find the module? Oh, well, it says, yeah, it would be nice if it knew. Oh, you're talking about chips. Oh, my bad. These are jalapeno. Miss Vicks. Mrs. Vicks. You reminded me I had a chip. I forgot. Oh my gosh, they're delicious too. Let's see, Miss Vicks. Vicky's, maybe? Jalapeno? Yeah. Ugh. Anytime they have them on sale at Costco, I get some. I know. magically delicious. I wonder if I need to specify this as a folder, like as a directory like this. Oops. Like something like that. It doesn't make sense that I would have to do that though. Yo, what's up, Jimmy? How's the bike? It's amazing. I have some footage from earlier today. If you want to, I mean, I'm happy to go through it. Some of it, at least. For those of you who are unaware, I recently took delivery of a 2024 Ducati Street Fighter V4S. And I do have some footage because I did want to put together a video, but in typical fashion, I was just like, I got other stuff I want to do. So I haven't done it. But I have the footage. I haven't been able to... Gosh, what is up with this noise? It's starting to annoy... It's like, oh, it's annoying me. Anyways. I'm starting to, go through the break-in cycle, so I can't really do much on the bike, like I'm not about to go ham. But today I got it to about 10,000 RPM today. I got it, Give me a second. Let me turn down music or just pause it or something. I'll turn it down. And I'm also turn up music slightly. All right. Let's see how many minutes it takes for Final Cut Pro to open. I remember when I first got my first M1 MacBook, everything seemed to be open. Everything opened instantly, or at least it seemed that way. And this is the original M1 MacBook, or was it MacBook Pro? Whichever one, the one that came out before the good one. And then the M1 Max came out, and I got that, and things opened instantly. I got the M1 Ultra, the one I'm currently on. Things open instantly. But now, all of a sudden, like, things don't open. Wait, what the fuck? Why is... Okay, now I have to open up the library. My gosh, what happened? Locate. Hermes. Oh, my... Okay, content. Perfect. All right, cool. Projects. Wait, what is this? DJI, Osmo. No, not that. Dang. I don't remember what I... Oh, wait, here. Yeah, okay. I'm like, I don't remember what I called the library. Yeah, this is it right here, I think. Let's see. Is this it? Oh, this is almost it. Did I cut it on accident? Interesting. Okay, we can close this. Close library. We don't want that. Morning ride, evening ride. Oh, I see what happened. This isn't good. But it's fine though. It's not that big of a deal. Okay, so I found it. So I'm just gonna whatever this is. I don't know. I don't even know what this is. We'll get rid of it. Yeah. We'll put it in untitled project. How about that? There's nothing useful. Get rid of that. Oh yeah, this is it. Perfect. Cool. Here we go. So we'll kind of zoom in into the section of note right here in this area. Do you cruise more, or is this going faster thing? I don't really go that fast anymore. I don't do tricks. I don't do anything dangerous. To me, anything that puts other people at risk, like no, I just simply won't do that. When it comes to going fast, I'm on nakeds now, so going fast isn't that pleasant. There's a certain speed at which going fast is just tiring on a naked. And for me, anything over 100, I'm just like, it's work. Now, obviously, I can go 100 for a little bit, but I'm not trying to just sit and go 100. I noticed that anything above 85, you start to feel the wind resistance. At least I do, and I'm bigger, so the bigger you are, the more you're gonna feel it, because it's the square of the surface area that's being hit. Crazy how Apple came out with M1 out of nowhere. After using the M laptop, I don't want to go back. Yeah, same here, bro. Like, it came out, but now at least it seems like the software has caught up or done what software does, which is it becomes even more inefficient, so that the hardware, which is stupidly fast, you no longer can feel it. I have applications that take entirely too long to open up. I remember in 2008, I can open up Visual Studio. I think it was 2008 version of Visual Studio, the full IDE on Windows. It would open up within 2 seconds, full boot. Now I can't open up. Here I'm on the Mac, so if I want to open up Xcode, that's going to take 30 seconds or something like that. All right, I'm gonna clip this here just to make my life easier, and then we'll kind of clip right in here just to also make this a little bit easier. Cool. All right, we will make this bigger, and yeah, there you are. Cool. So this was earlier. Turn it down a little bit. So this is 59. So one thing I've noticed about the Street Fighter V4S is that it's more rough than my last bike. I had a 27 Monster 1200R, so it had a track focus suspension, and it wasn't this rough or firm, whatever word you want to use to help you sleep tonight. But it's firm, it's hard as hell to me. Even with the electric suspension. All right, so here you can get a sense of, I open it up just a little bit. Granted, I'm still in break-in period, so I can't do too much, but it sounds good. I'll turn it up a little bit.
Oh my gosh, holy shit, oh my gosh, this thing is fast.
All right, so yeah, there you go. I got it up where it's like I'm starting to feel the power, and it felt nice. Yeah, that was from earlier. I also went to Papado for lunch. I'll probably start putting these out more. It's not really vlogging. It's more just like, just throw it up online, see what happens, put it in a playlist. I don't really expect anyone to really watch them, but I like to have it playing over there. So while I'm working, it would be dope if I can just have myself playing over there in the background. Just riding around the Houston area. There's another one that I did. Let's see. It was downtown Houston. Maybe you'll like that one. Yeah, here. With the Ferris wheel. No speed racing. I don't really do that shit. So pretty cool view of downtown in the Ferris wheel coming off 45, or No, coming off I-10 onto 45. I'm still waiting. I have a piece of a like a mount for my good helmet that I've had forever. I don't have a mount, so I can only use my regular helmet for my camera. But with this new mount, is custom made for this particular helmet. It hasn't arrived yet. Even I ordered it like 2 weeks ago. It still hasn't come yet. But as soon as I get that, I can attach my DJI to that, along with my mic, the wireless mic that I'm using, and the sound should be better because it's less. It's just more insulated, I guess, something like that. But I want to put speakers in it, so I'll be able to hear my music and shit. So I can just go out, ride for an hour or two, just chill out. Maybe even talk about stuff. I think about stuff sometimes when I'm on a bike. Oh yeah, one of these was interesting. Maybe not. Probably. Oh yeah. Here. Yeah. This is like Houston. Oh wait, where did it go? You get a pretty cool view of downtown. One of these. Oh yeah, right here. Yeah, it's a dope view of downtown. This is in the video that I uploaded the other day. Yesterday? Last night?
It's almost as if my air vent is open. I'm getting a lot of wind in my helmet.
So this is one of the cooler views of downtown Houston.
From my
it looks more impressive in person. Obviously, like things on a camera, on a screen, not in real life, they never look that cool, but it's actually pretty cool. It's a really cool view of Houston. It's made even better when the sun is in just the right place, because every building is like goldish, kind of have these really brilliant reflections. All right, let me get music back. All right, cool. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the little bit of motorcycle thing. Oh wait, y'all don't even know what it looks like. Hold on, wait, I'm not even done. I thought I was done, and then I realized that no, I'm not really truly done. We never are. Let's see how long it takes Final Cut Pro to open again. Seeing as I just opened it, it should be fairly instant. Okay, it's not instant, but I'm not gonna complain. This is it. Oh, you know what? I don't think I've imported that footage yet, but maybe I show the bike somewhere. Nah. Oh. All right, well, let's add the footage. So we'll go on into, I guess we'll use the command to do it from the import. Nothing footage. Definitely not February. This is probably in April. Probably here. And we're gonna look for 427. That looks like a 427. All of these are 427s. 420. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, this is my. Oh wow, this is my old motorcycle, the Monster. Oh man, I'm glad I have footage of it. Oh, all right. That's nice. That's nice to know I have footage of it. All right, either I'm missing footage or I put footage in the wrong directory. Sometimes I do stupid things. Oh no, never mind. Never mind. Here we are. I didn't do something stupid. I did something smart for once in my life. Here we are. There you go. Let's import this. We'll just throw this over here. So now you can see the bike. And this is my new bike. It's the one. It's the black and gray one. I've already done my first mod. I bought some other pieces. So I have my Evotech oil and oil filter and radiator guard filters. I'm sorry, and guards. I'm gonna get the Rizoma stealth mirrors. I've already got the tank pads as well as the tank grips. So yeah, I already have my first set of parts that I'm gonna do. I've done the what do you call that thing? What do you call it? The license. I've done the license plate, and I also need to do the turn signals and the levers. Basically all the touch points. Yeah, man, it's nice. And like real talk, I'm actually surprised at how good the stock exhaust sounds. When I'm riding it, it's like, I'm not even gonna lie, like I did the thought it came in my mind and I pushed it away. I was like, nah, fuck that. It's like, I don't even need an exhaust. I was like, man, like I can save a whole $5 to $6 grand. I don't even need an exhaust. But it's just something in me. I need that Akrapovic, however you say it, whatever the brand name is. I need it. The full titanium exhaust. I did ask some folks at the dealership if they knew if the 2022, 2023 full titanium exhaust fits on the 2024, because the 2024 is slightly different. So if it does fit, I found one for $4 grand, which is a deal. That's a deal with the up map and all that kind of stuff. I'm like, if they can guarantee that all of that will work, I will buy that. That'll save me 12 to 13 pounds. I forget what the exact number is of weight, which is significant. And it'll give me, it's either 12 or 18 horsepower, something ridiculous. I'll be at like 228 horsepower. And yes, I do need that. I need that. I need the weight savings and I need the horsepower. Here, I'll pull that up. I was showing someone else earlier. Let's pull that up right quick. Okay, so I don't like the new version, which is why I want the old version. So let's look at the new version. I'm sorry, not this isn't, I'm sorry. Let's look at the new version, which is here. Plus it's stupid expensive. It's $8 grand just for the exhaust. Right, now keep in mind that with these Ducatis, when you install a full exhaust, they have to take apart the bike. It's a 10 to 12 hour job. So yeah, like I just don't like the exhaust. It's ugly. The wheelbarrow, it's just not me. I don't like it at all. It's not even about the price, but even the price, I'm just like, hell no. I prefer the previous generation style, which is here. Or maybe there's a better one. Yeah, here's a better one. Better image, rather. Or not. Yeah. I prefer this look. Where it's not too short. That's why I don't like the Termione exhaust. It's too short. I think Arrow, I think that's too short as well. I like the fact that this goes slightly beyond the wheel. By the way, this is basically kind of where I'm going towards. So I'm planning to get these magnesium forged wheels. They're only 10% lighter than what I currently have, but they're gold and they're 9-spoke, and like, I'm a vain motherfucker. I need them. I need it in my life. They match the engine casing, and I was brought up to match, so my wheels need to match my engine casing. Of course, I have black. Mine is black here. What else? I was thinking about doing a clear clutch cover, but then I was like, you know what? I've never owned a dry clutch on a motorcycle. And Ducati is, you know, they're known to be the ones that, like, you know, when they're running, they sound like you're tumbling nuts and bolts. That's what they sound like when they're running. I love the sound. I love it. It's kind of like with Porsches, because they are, what do you call those? They're flat sixes. Because they're flat sixes, the valves are all on the side and you hear it, and it gives you this really cool mechanical sound. I love it. If you're into like engine noises, these, like this new Ducati V4, oh my gosh, you'll understand. It sounds like when you're halfway on the throttle, like when it's kind of open and you're, you know, after you're slowing down and you kind of have it half open, that burble / whatever sound that you hear in GT3s, or I think I don't know, I think you hear it in the Audi sometimes. I know you hear it a little bit in the Huracans. That same thing, it's but you feel it deep in your loins. Oh, looks like it's warmed the tires. Wait, whoa. Oh, I seen bikes with a center exit exhaust situation. I think I have. That's what I have, is center exit, right? Are you talking about up top, a center exit? Because technically, what I have on my bike stock is that, right? So this is what the muffler looks like on the whatever these bikes are. Let's just do stock. Instead of doing that, we'll say exhaust, stock exhaust. It's going to mount it. Oh yeah, up top. Okay, that's what you're talking about. I had a bike with an exhaust like that. I got it initially because I was like, oh man, that'll be dope. I thought it would be cool. And when I got it, I was like, man, this is dumb. I hated it. A few reasons. Number one is, you know, like I sit on the bike and the heat is literally going up my ass. I didn't like that. Number two is when I have a passenger, and yeah, I used to have a passenger. Like that's scary as hell. Like I have to be like, hey, try not to touch anything. Even though I give them gloves and all, you know, give them I have protection for everyone. I have a rule where you don't get on my bike without protection, just straight up. So yeah, it's like, not only it's worse for them because they're literally where the exhaust is. And yeah, so I'm not going to say fortunately or luckily, I will just say that bike was stolen. So yeah, I was so upset. This was back then, but now looking back, I'm like, I don't give a shit. It's a Honda CBR 600 of 2012. I remember wanting the Repsol edition, but I couldn't afford it. I didn't have the extra $2,000. I got the bitch ass red Honda. Whatever. Here, let me show a Honda CBR 600 RR. 2012. Yep. Mine had white wheels. This was mine. I got it for 10 grand. And I remember that because it was used, so I didn't have to, there was no break-in period. This is one benefit of buying used things. You don't have to, you can just go straight out. Anyway, I was going home from the dealer to try to, you know, test it out. I was going the long way. So I decided to get on 35. I took 1604 down to 35 and was going to ride back up, I think 37 and 281. This is out in San Antonio. I decided to test it out a little bit. You know, where, you know, there's typically not as much traffic there. It's not really that much going on. It's the other side of San Antonio. It's kind of not much happening. I scared the shit out of I scared the shit out of myself. Yeah. After that, I did. Yeah. I started to respect these machines after that. what happened was I got to about 12,000 RPM. It wasn't that big of a deal. Like, it was fast. It felt weird because it felt like I was sitting on a plank. It was weird because I was coming from a CBR 250. But yeah, I was riding on this thing and it felt like I was going to fly off, and like all of a sudden it's just like a rush of power. Oh my gosh. Scary as fuck. But obviously I didn't die. I'm still here. So here we are. But this is back in the good old days when I can get almost 200 miles to a tank, 250 miles to a tank. Now with this Ducati, I get maybe 100 miles to a tank, and I'm not even doing anything. For the most part, I'm just, just putting around. Over here getting barely 100 miles to a tank. That's insane. But I don't know if I care that much, other than I have to go to the gas station. Believe it or not, I haven't had to go to a gas station in almost 2 years. So yeah, I remember when the monster, like the gas light came on, like I was just like, wait. I went to the gas station. It was so awkward. I was like, wait. Oh. All right. What is this noise? Why is it? All right, maybe it's fixed. You airdropping gas? What do you mean? Oh, no, like so where I live, we have like the building, it's chargers. I don't even pay for energy. It's all free. At least for me. I don't know. Maybe y'all pay for it via your taxes. Thank you. I appreciate it. It's nice to get something from the money that I paid into this government. Yeah, I was very much. I had a bunch of. I mean, if you're really interested, you can go follow me on Instagram. You just scroll through my pictures. You can see all of the cars I've owned, all of the gas guzzlers. So it's like I went through a period where I didn't have a vehicle for a little bit and ended up walking more. And I was like, you know what? I don't even care about cars anymore. I don't even need one. And then I ended up getting pissed off with Porsche over some reasons. And I ended up not being able to take the BMW that I ordered the M5 competition because my insurance agent decided to backdate my the cancellation of my policy before we went forward with the new policy. Anyway, the result of that is my quote of $185 a month for a brand new M5 competition. Well, that jumped up to 40-ish, I don't know, something dollars per month for insurance. And I was just like, no. So I'm like, I'm gonna get this Tesla. So I got a Tesla, and then I did the insurance through them, and my insurance is what it should be, under 130. I was just like, first of all, the previous 4 vehicles that I've owned all cost over $200,000, and the insurance for these vehicles, none of them went above $185,000. So in my mind, I'm like, I'm going down to like a lower end car. It's like $120,000. Why is the insurance triple the price? It came down to the fact that since they backdated it came up in their system as if I had not had insurance. So I was uninsured for a period of time. So like all of my history, I've been with Geico since forever. Like since I've had insurance, and they're just like, yeah, like all that history doesn't matter. I was just like, wow, okay. So here we are, I'm driving a Model Y. Okay, so we gotta find out why this isn't why this isn't like getting the right thing. I feel like I should just be able to do yarn add octokit. Let's just see that octokit, see what happens. Where does it resolve that dependency from? Linking dependencies. What is it linked from? An error occurred. Shit. Okay. Okay. We will sudo this. I shouldn't have to sudo this, but user, yeah, like something's wrong. Something's wrong with my configuration. I don't think this program has the right privileges. I'll figure it out at some point in the future. It's not that important right now. So long as it links to the right thing. Maybe I do have to do that. It would have been nice if the doc said that. Or didn't, or said explicitly don't do that, because maybe I'm about to fuck shit up. What's this? Tangent. Has your career been web dev or have you branched out? My career has never been web development. I started out as I don't know, intern, I guess. Initially, I think I was employee number 5 or something like that at the startup. So I was working directly with our two co-founders as well as the 2 founding engineers. One was, both were like freaking brilliant. But one was like, I don't know if there was anything he didn't know about Linux or about the GNU compiler, like the C++ compiler, or about the JVM or Java, yes. They were really into that language. What was that, like Erlang? There's like a JVM like functional language that they were into, because the CTO is some physicist. And anyway, I did that. So I initially built drivers, the audio driver for learning management software. That was that at that job. Then I was at school during that time. After that project, I ended up working on a way to do network installed operating systems, because these LMSs may be in these AV rooms, and we need to be able to update them with the software packages that we were building. And this is all in Linux and stuff, so needed to have all that working. Then after that, they had me work on our documentation. So like I ended up doing like some typesetting type stuff and like doing like page layout. Gosh, the closest analog that I can think, I don't remember the name of the software, but it's like that. Gosh, what is that thing called? It's by the Affinity Publisher or Publishing, where it's like that typesetting type software. So I ended up doing that and writing the instructions for how to use the thing. And then I ended up getting this other project of working on some type of like, I don't know, some type of medical, I forget what it was, but it was a random like side quest type project. And then after that, I went on to some other company in the e-learning space. And there, I did get exposed to some web, but not in the traditional way, I guess. It was through a technology called ASP.NET. But from what my coworker at the time told me, he's like, technically we're full stack. Because we did touch the client from time to time, but a lot of what we did was everywhere. So a lot of stuff in our databases, definitely a lot of stuff on our application servers, a lot of stuff with the DevOps. Like actually, it wasn't called DevOps back then. I think we just called it systems engineering or like systems administration, where you're setting up all the systems to run the software, deployments, that kind of thing. And then after that, I went into like more government type stuff. All different types of applications. I even built like an application within Excel. You could do that, believe it or not. Built workflows within SharePoint, built applications within SharePoint. some other stuff. I don't know, all kinds of things. I've been everywhere. You're the first one I've heard say sudo. Well, sudo. I've always heard sudo. So sudo, it's shorthand for super user do, not super user do. That's what it means. It's sudo. Or I don't know. I'm not saying that's how you pronounce it, but it's like it's super user because there's also su. Like there's just su as well. So yeah, see, sudo, or I'm sorry, however you say it. It's hard for me to say it that way. Execute a command as another user. All right, so it's like you're doing it as, you know, some other user. So do it. I don't know. That's how I've always read it. Let's see here. How'd you know when to go for the new opportunity versus stay and get deeper in what you were already doing? I don't know. I just get bored. That's really it. It's just like bored. But honestly, back then I was chasing money. It wasn't even about freaking opportunity. I wasn't worried about that. I was just like, I need money, lots of it. So I was just like, whatever's going to pay me the most money, that's what I'm gonna do. There was a point where I was considering learning, gosh, what was it? Like not learning, but getting back into security because I used to do that kind of stuff. When I heard that some of the people in my building, like they were a small company, but I happened to know one of the owners, and like I found out that at that time, this is in 2014, I think. No, wait, 13. Yeah, 2013. They out here making 325K. I'm just like, whoa. I'm like, wait, what? What? I need to. So I'm over here figuring out how I'm about to get back into that space. And then I ended up saying, you know what? I want to just come back home to Houston. So I came back home to Houston and ended up taking on contract work, which got me into energy. Houston is a lot of energy, but the energy thing that I was doing was around trading commodities and futures and like pricing energy. So I worked on pricing engines and shit like that for trade for the trade floor. I can say it, whatever. Let's just say that a lot of large oil companies used our product to accurately price their energy so that they would know whether or not they can buy, because if it's anyways. So I did that, and then ended up I needed insurance. So I ended up getting some other job because they paid me a shit ton of money, and this was oil and gas. And they let me in like as a database developer, but then there was some internal conflict between Houston and Perth, so it ended up me being some type of glorified. I call it glorified IT, but I don't know. They had me do some interesting things. I went offshore like 7 times to support operations with flying the ROVs, as well as making sure that all the video footage is captured and all anomalies annotated and all that stuff in a database, so that we can go back and point out, oh yeah, we found here at this geo whatever point, that kind of thing. And then have the video evidence so that they can see what it looks like. Yeah, I did that, and yeah, that was cool. I got to living on a ship for weeks at a time is interesting. Very interesting. Going to these weird ass dictatorship countries is interesting, especially when you grow up here in America, learning, oh yeah, we want to fight dictatorships, and then you go to these dictatorship ass countries, and it's like it's nothing but American companies there, and we have American security there, and it's just like business as usual. I'm just like, wow, okay. It uncovers that bullshit, that that propaganda that they out here trying to sell y'all. It looks like we got it. Oh wait, I'm looking at the wrong thing. But I think we may have got it situated. Let's see. Look at that. Yeah, perfect. We got it situated. Now, just to confirm, let's go into node modules again, and we'll go and look for OctoKit now. OctoKit. All right, this. I wonder if I put at OctoKit, will it get at OctoKit? No, it won't. It's not clear to me which OctoKit it's going to go into. Let's hope that it's going to go into my OctoKit. Here. Oh, wait. No, it overrode it. Oh, you see that? It overrode it. It's no longer my symlink. This is weird. I don't understand this. So we'll go into OctoKit. Okay. Yeah, that's not a symlink. I don't understand what the difference between these two things are. This OctoKit and this at OctoKit. It's obviously not my symlinks anymore, because remember, they were linked. Okay, now, okay. Now we can't see it. Wait, did I really lose that fast? Yeah, it looks like I did. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. I got sidetracked into it. Yeah. So what did I do after? Oh yeah. So after that oil gas job, I ended up going back into consulting. So I did consulting in the past and like the SharePoint government stuff. So I had it. Anyway, I did consulting, and then I went back to consulting, where my first project, it was working with the CEO, no, the VP of engineering, as well as CEO of some relatively large company in Billings, Montana, to build like basically they needed help with logistics. So they wanted to build an app to help them with the logistics of delivering their medical supplies to their customers. So we ended up scoping out an entire project, going through requirements and building out an app that can do all the things I needed to do. We used Xamarin Forms at that time. And because we used Xamarin Forms, we had to deal with the issue of like, yes, it's Forms, but we're still trying to target two different platforms. And yes, we can compile Android on a Windows machine, but we need a Mac machine for iOS. I happen to be a Mac person, so I ended up having to set up our build server. I set it up on a Mac where we had a build agent that ran our continuous integration server from like a local thing. I made it accessible to the internet unsafely. It doesn't matter, but we needed to do that so that we can build the asset or the package for iOS. And then once that was built, we used, I forget the name of the software, but it was App Bear. It was something that we used to then push it to a place that we could then download it on our phone so we could test it. That was one thing that was challenging. The other thing that was challenging was integrating with a Zebra printer, in which there is no SDK at the time for this. So yeah, yours truly had to go through their fucking doc. Like literally, like when I say doc, I'm not talking about like the typical developer docs you're used to. I'm talking about the types of docs that I guess system or driver level programmers have to go through, where they're looking at the codes that the hardware is giving and what that means, or what codes you send to the hardware for it to do X, Y, or Z. That. So I ended up building like a very light wrapper to make dealing with that a little bit easier so that we can work with that abstraction over, trying to send raw bytes over a freaking, that was dumb. And getting Bluetooth to work in a Forms environment, because that's native. So you need access to native APIs, but you're in Forms. So that was a whole thing. And Bluetooth is not reliable. It's not great. So I did that. After that project, I ended up doing some other project, another energy company, and because of the experience that I had at the building commodity trading software, I ended up building another pricing engine. This time I got to lead this one. So we built up. In fact, I mean, technically, if you know Houston well enough, you look there, you can see the building. They're a large conglomerate, multinational conglomerate. But ended up doing their pricing engine. Had to go out to Pittsburgh a couple times to their HQ to work with their engineers and their folks to make sure things were fine. After that project, ended up doing something like, what do you call that thing? This was like business consulting. So I ended up doing like a split project of half of my time was spent doing business consulting. I can't really delve into the details, but it was anyway. Did that, and then the second half of that was doing like data type stuff, migrations, ETLs, getting them ready to like do something. Getting into a data warehouse, but this is in health, so we need to make sure HIPAA compliance, all these other things. All kinds of things. That involved SSIS, SSRS reports, make sure that all that stuff was valid. I did that for a little bit before I left to go do data analytics and BI type stuff at another consulting firm, where I got to do some interesting things actually. One of the more interesting projects was because like we were Microsoft. We did Microsoft. We did other stuff too. Anyway, we were the first organization in Houston to get the HoloLens, and we worked in the same building. We're in the Microsoft building. So the Microsoft guys, they had to come downstairs to our office to play with HoloLens. So one of the cool things that I got to do was develop like a prototype thing on HoloLens back when it first came out, and play with some different use cases. Most of the use cases that I was thinking about was because I worked offshore, as well as I've gone to certain onshore assets. Like one of the things I'm thinking of is like, if you can go outside, you can like, you have all these pipes, like what's the flow rate of these pipes? What's flowing through these pipes? Do we know temperatures? There's all kinds of things that we can display, augment onto the pipe as you're walking through. Or if there's a certain pipe that you need to follow, maybe highlight that pipe, because pipes go in and out. You want to make sure you're working with the right pipe. Another one is like when you're doing something. I did a project at the oil and gas company where they sent me to the Bahamas to assist. I was the assistant to a cathodic protection expert, so I assisted him with basically collecting samples and data and whatever, and like I learned a little bit about the analysis, and he was an engineer, for real engineer, like licensed engineer. Learned a lot about like what goes into cathodic protection and the science behind it, all that kind of crap. Anyways, I started thinking about stuff like that, like knowing where exactly you need to go and put your cathodes so that you protect your asset as best as possible. Or while you're walking, maybe you can spot any like accelerated, I don't know, gosh, what do you call that thing? Oxidation. Yeah, if you see any accelerated oxidation anywhere, maybe that tells you that maybe you don't have enough current, or maybe the current isn't getting to where it needs to go. That kind of thing. So that was interesting. I did a lot of building out data pipelines, a lot of ETLs. Ended up doing some data analytics, some machine learning, actually predictive analytics as well. I was also in grad school at that time, and then I went to GitHub shortly after that. Not shortly, I was there for a little bit. I went to GitHub afterwards, so I dropped out for the first time of grad school. And I was at GitHub. I was a maintainer one of the maintainers for GitHub Desktop. And Yeah, did that for a little bit. That team was dope. I fucking love them. If y'all are watching this, what's up? No, I see y'all too. We follow each other on Instagram, so I know they be seeing me talk my shit sometimes. But yeah, so did that for a little bit. I did a few things there, but the biggest one is part of desktop. And then I went off and fucked off for a little bit, for about 2 years. Went traveling. just doing whatever the hell I want to do. Now I'm something called a developer advocate now. So I ended up getting a call from my current company, and it was actually at just the right time. They called me at just the right time because I was just starting to become jaded with just doing nothing, just flying around. Like I shit you not, I think I left. I may have spent maybe 2 months in America, 1 year. I was just like, man, fuck this place. I'm out. I was thinking about never coming back. Real talk. So when I left, I was like, man, I don't even need to come back. Then I came back. I'm like, I'm gonna go back for real. Then I came back. Then I went back for real. Came back for vacation, and I'm here stuck. Yeah, so I've never actually been a web developer. That's actually one thing that I've never had the opportunity to do. However, I will say this, even though I've never been a web developer, I will say that one of the other things, because GitHub, we did Electron. So this is how I know this stuff. It's because of Electron. So of course I know a lot about how browsers work now because Electron, I had to, right? Because that's what we did. And desktop is not only an Electron application, but we used TypeScript. This is how I learned TypeScript. I didn't know TypeScript, and honestly, I didn't really know JavaScript when I got the job at GitHub. I interviewed for a Visual Studio position for C#. My friend, he's a good friend of mine now. He got that job. But apparently I interviewed well enough to where they wanted to, they gave me the opportunity to choose a team. So one of the teams within client apps was this team, desktop. So I chose them. Honestly, I liked them. They're really cool. They're really smart. All right, so I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna run it and just see. I don't know if it hits my code, then we'll see some output. And what is the code that we're talking about here, right? So come to Authenticating, and there is a, where was that option? Is it here? Wait, no, that's not it. Did I close it, or is it not the right one? I closed it. Shit. Maybe it's in my history. No. Fuck. How did I lose that? How did I lose it that fast? Oh, get token. Okay. All right. Okay. Never mind. We're good. Okay, that's one of them that matters. And let's see, did I have another search going? No, I didn't. Okay. Oh, wait, what's going on here? What was I doing? Oh, that was, okay. I don't know if that was helpful. Let's go ahead and start the server back up. Okay, so if it hits my code, we should get a debugger statement. Actually, did I do that? I thought I did that here. Did I not? I need to add an alias for this. I don't know why I haven't put it on here. Okay, so it's not here. Where did I put that debugger statement, or did I not save it? Huh. Oh, not one. Wait, what do I want? Octokit. That's what it is. Octokit. Yeah, this doesn't seem right. I'm going to relink it and see what happens. npm link octokit. Oh, that's not going to work. Why do I have to keep logging in? Isn't this the same session that I did it in earlier? npm warm, resolve overriding peer dependency. Okay. The addresses that do not require run npm autofix. I don't know if that matters. Okay, so let's see if we now have the link now. What's the name of it? Octokit. Okay, look at that. Okay, all right. Oh my gosh, all right, thank God. Okay, so progress. But now, shit. Now we get this. Fuck. I'm curious, Jimmy. Do you know JavaScript Node? Are you like, do you know this stuff? I'm like lost. It's not anything that I can think of at this point. Wait, why? It doesn't even know what type this is? Some data pull. Wait, why am I, what is this? Check for PR. Pull data. Oh, it doesn't know. Okay. It doesn't know what Octokit is. All right, maybe I'll go to Google. Let's see on the internet. How to link npm package locally. How about that? Yeah. 5 years ago. No, that's too old. npm is different. I think that I might want to do this prefix thing. And my reason is that if maybe because the Octokit namespaces, the things are the same, maybe that's clashing something. I don't know how this shit works. No idea. Starting to get into it. While the stream plays, second monitor. All right. Yeah, I'm trying to get into it myself. No prefix G. Where's this prefix though? User indigo npm version node. Okay, and then link. But what was in his package JSON of his fancy library? Yeah, you need to have your file because, like, can you do that? Oh, he says it. Okay, he says it's right there. Okay. Yeah, so, like, the fact that this package here, if we go to the name of it, it doesn't have that @ symbol. It's just Octokit. But then when I did the whatever I did, I forgot what I did. But whatever I did over here, let me look back to see. I did it over here. Yeah, when I did this link over here, it did point to the right thing, but now like this is broken. Can I not import? Can I find module Octokit? Is it because it doesn't have type declarations because it's JavaScript? Let's see if there's a build. If there's a build that can produce the types, then we're good. Let's see, lint, test, TypeScript valid. Nah, okay. Nah. Test TypeScript, nps tsc declaration. Okay, so it's not actually emitting anything. Oh, there is a build though. Oh, look at that. There is a build. Okay, so I think maybe I need to do that. So we'll do npm run build. All right, I'm just going to assume that, I don't know, built. Oh, okay, and scripts. Okay, scripts, build, mjs. Okay. And then ts config. Okay, so where does the output go? It's not going to tell me. Es build, entry point, source. Okay, output direct package. I should see a package right here, right? All right, this is code GitHub Octokit JS, and we will do this again. Okay. Obviously, I don't wait. Okay, what? Maybe it's not running that. Maybe it's doing something else. Nah, there should be a package here. There should definitely be a package. Yes, she said that. I don't know where your package went. It's unfortunate. All right, we'll look to see if there is a, oh look, all right, it's okay, it's here. So I wonder if this git, okay, let's look at the git ignore file, because there must be a ignore package in here. If it's not showing, yeah, that's why it's not showing up in Visual Studio. I have a setting configured where it doesn't show me anything that's in the git ignore. My reasoning is because there's so many, like, I just hate, I don't know, it's just too many things. I remove things. All right, so that was why I didn't see the package. So we'll look inside the package. And we have some things. Do we have types? Look at that, we have types now. So this should shut Visual Studio up on the other side of things, hopefully, maybe. Let me restart TypeScript server. And let's just hope. Fuck, shit, that didn't work. Oh man. The crazy part of this is that this is a TypeScript error. Technically, this is fine on the JavaScript side of things, but I use TypeScript as a crutch, so I'm going to try to fix the crutch. Okay, so it's just taking me to the right place. Why did it do that? Okay, I don't know why I did that. So it is symlinked, like I think. Oh my gosh. So if it's symlinked, there should be a package. Is it the package that I need to link? Ah, yes. Probably. More than likely. Yes, probably. Okay. All right. Shit. I'm only guessing here. I really don't know. But let's go into my local, whatever the hell things. Local node modules. Is it bin, maybe? Lib. And then node mod. Yeah, that. Okay. So we'll go into node modules. And we're going to remove authkit. Authkit. Bitch. I ignore. Shit, I just messed up my password. Okay. Let's confirm it's gone. Perfect. It's gone. All right. Inside of the package, I'm going to do it. So we'll do npm link. Oh, fuck. Okay, so now let's look again. All right, now we have authkit part pointing here. Now, well, ah, shit. Well, wait, what? Wait, what the hell did I do here? Shit. Oh wait, no, it doesn't matter. Yes, it does matter. YT Slack bot, no modules. Fuck yeah. Oh, okay. I gotta. Oh my gosh, I gotta delete the symlink again. I messed up. Did that remove it? I thought I could have swore I messed up that password. Okay. All right. Let's go to the right place. All right. So inside of here, we need to go into package, and now we'll do the npm link. Oh my gosh. This will, I don't know. I need to slap somebody. This is annoying. Okay. Let's confirm that the right thing is now here. So we have authkit, and it's okay. It's pointing here. All right. Now in my project, let's confirm. Well, let's first remove the authkit. So we'll remove that authkit. Wait, what? What did I, wait, what did I, oh, oh, I'm dumb. All right. So now if I'm going to confirm that authkit is gone. Perfect. Cool. The right authkit is gone. So we're going to go back, and now we'll do npm link authkit like that. Okay. I forgot I had to run it this way. This will be the death of me, I promise. So we'll do that, and now, wait, what? Okay. All right, look at that. My types work. Oh, that's new. So this, it's not sudo that. That's just, so this is something that a shell does. Your shell does this. You just do bang bang, and it gives you the last command that you did. That's, yeah. This isn't a sudo. This is just how your shell works. Okay, so now we got this working. Oh my gosh, thank God. Now I can come into where it keeps saying that it's failing. So we'll look at the log where it was like, oh, it's failing, it's not working. Now we're gonna go and look to see at that particular place. We're gonna go look at it and see for real, how is it failing? Why is it failing? So we wanna go here. That is universal. And this is the thing that I don't remember being able to find any of this stuff. Use a local AuthKit. Yeah, AuthKit node modules, universal. Okay, so let's look at the node modules, which is this right here. And there should be something called universal, but I don't see that. Let's confirm that it's not hidden. Yeah, I don't see anything called universal. I'm looking for this. See, node modules, universal GitHub app, JWT, dist index. And this should be under this directory, user local lib node, whatever the hell that is. And then we have it at this place. So JSON web token sign. Oh wait, what was that said? I'm not sure. I think is it just app maybe? Nah, it can't be that. Okay, so we have node modules here. So anything that has node modules could be it. So this shouldn't be it because it doesn't have node modules. However, auth app could be it because it does have node modules, although it's only AuthKit. So it's probably not that. Let's see if these ones, AuthKit still, okay, same thing. Auth token, no node modules. Auth authenticated, nothing. I'm not dealing with OAuth apps. All right, I am very confused. Where in the hell, like, where is this coming from? Wait, is this even running? What the fuck? Oh, wait, I'm stupid. Okay, let's run this. Let's get new output. Let's confirm that this is broken in the way that I think is broken. $1,477 modules. My God. Okay. GitHub AuthKit JS. There we go. Okay, now we're getting better things. So this is JSON web token under AuthKit JS. AuthKit JS should be here, I think. Yeah, we'll look at the node modules here. So make this a little bit bigger. And there should be a, where is it? A JSON web token sign. So JSON web token, how do I get to that? I could just look here and see if it's even in here. It's easier. Yep, cool, there's one, JSON web token. And there is a file called sign. So I'll just open up. Can I do that? Nah, okay, it's not in my freaking, all right. Oh, maybe. I don't know if I want to turn off this option just, just so that this will work. But maybe I need to do it. Ah, fuck that, I'm not gonna do it. I'll open it up this way, the dumb way. So we'll open up sign.js. Somewhere. Oh, it's here. I'm tripping. Okay. All right. And what line is it saying it's messed up? 182. this is a different place than last time. Last time it had no option and like something else. I forgot the other thing. Fuck, where is it? All right, so it must be failing on this validate asymmetric key with the secret or private key. I'm going to put a debugger here, and I'm going to hope that this works. All right, so I'm going to come back over to where I'm actually, doing my work. We'll clear out everything, and I'm going to resubmit the request. Okay, it didn't hit my debugger statement. Okay. So then that tells me something, right? It tells me that maybe it's not actually, oh shit, I had to rebuild it. Oh, fuck, I forgot. No wonder. Okay, all right, I'm tripping. I forgot. If I change this file, fuck, what did I just do? Okay, yeah, if I change this file, I had to rebuild it. I forgot. So we'll do npm run build. Oh, okay, I'm tripping. Okay, we'll do it here. Npm run build. Okay, so now that debugger statement, hopefully, unless it's cleaned out, it could be cleaned out depending on how things happen. Let's see here. My bad. Well, new to me. Learn something new. Oh yeah, no worries. Can you use the find tool? What do you mean? What do you mean by use the find tool? Like, hold on. Are you talking about like this right here? Find? Like that, where you give it a expression, like a glob pattern or something like that? Oh, you mean, okay. Find dot dash name find, wait, file name. I'm not sure if I understand your question. What do you mean? Can you use the find tool for what exactly? Like, what are you trying to do? Yo, what's up, Casual? Thanks for the late night stream. Did a bunch of studying while listening. Oh yeah, no worries. Yeah. Oh yeah, it is late. It's midnight. I didn't even realize. It's midnight and I haven't solved a goddamn thing. No closer to the goal. Let's see if at least my breakpoint hits. My debugger statement hits. Let's see if that happens at the least. Oh wait, no, it didn't. Same shit. Yeah, still no breakpoint. Dang it. All right, let's go here and let's do caught errors. We'll ignore the route and let's try this again. Okay. This is the next server. We don't care about the next server right now. Well, what is this error actually? Let's check out the error first. Wait, ER is probably what it is. Dev server handle. Okay, is there a message on it? Okay, there's no message. Okay, so then no such declarations. Don't care. Paused on promise rejection on start server. Here we go. Okay. So it's failing here. (162) function failure. So failure is just a function that we define, but wait. If callback, what's the callback? Where's that passed in? Okay, function, payload, secret or private key, options, and sign. Okay, so we're giving it, okay. The payload is here. Okay, this is useful. This could be the issue. This should have a value right there. Callback is undefined. Ah, okay. If the type of function, or if it's a function, do something. If not, we're going to set it equal to an empty object or whatever it was. So in my case, it's nothing. Oh, it's this, it's that. So it's just going to be that. Okay. Is object payload, yeah, header. Okay. Wait a minute. Where do we call, like, where do we pass failure? Okay, here we are. So here. So this isn't all the way, this isn't as useful. What I need to do is see who's calling failure. So we should see if this is indeed being called. I think this is being called function failure. It looks like that could be it. So sign.js, we're on line 182. All right, this is sign.js. Is this the same file? Okay, I'm gonna assume it's the same file. I really can't tell. 182 is here. So else if RSP, yeah. So we test if secret private key dot type is not equal to private. We want to return must, okay. So the key type must, so where is this being set? Where is this type get set at? All right, I think I should be looking for a string like dot type equals something like that. No? Where does secret key, where does that get passed in at? Oh, it's get passed in here. Okay. So it's just built in on here, I guess. Okay, so who calls sign? Because whoever's calling sign must be doing that. So that is this again. Octokit.js, node modules, universal GitHub app, JW. I keep seeing this, but I've never, like, I don't know where that is. I've never seen that. Yeah, it's saying that doesn't even exist. Do I need to go into their Webpack project to see if they're doing anything weird? Are they using Webpack? Would that be scripts maybe? Build. Oh no, they're okay. Wait, what are they using? Oh, they're using ESBuild. I don't really know ESBuild, but I know enough about build systems. My bad. When you were looking for the file earlier, it was relevant back then. Yeah. I don't know. But yeah, you could use find. Find is oftentimes easier sometimes because you can give it a globbing pattern, or glob pattern. Whereas with what I was doing sometimes with ls and grep, actually, yeah, I mean, technically you can accomplish the same thing. Yeah, but yeah, file is probably what you want to use. But yeah, I see that. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to get much further. So I'm going to wrap it up when it comes to the tech part of this. I'm happy to, hang out for a little bit longer to chat with whoever wants to chat. But if no one wants to chat, I'm gonna go lay down. It's 12:05. I had to wake up early in the morning. Okay, so hopefully you got some out of that. All over the place, but whatever. I will be back tomorrow, most likely. I don't know what time. I'm doing a mix of things tomorrow. I'm going to look for a new place to stay. Maybe I'll stay here. We'll see. I'm going to go ride my motorcycle some more. I actually need to edit that video and publish it. And there's some other things that I want to do. Premium Forges. Let's see. Been learning the fundamentals of cloud and GCP. Have a lot of fun doing it. Google. Is that Google? Google Cloud something? Any general advice you want to put out there? I don't know. I feel like I've been putting out a lot of general advice. Here's a fun fact. I have live streamed almost 800 hours since starting about a little over a year and a half ago. So there's 800 hours of me on the internet saying all kinds of things. I don't even know what I say. So I'm sure there's advice somewhere, maybe. What else is there? Yeah, I don't know. I don't really. You got to ask specifics. I don't know. I don't really have general. Other than do what you feel like doing, do what you want to do. Actually, I don't know. Don't worry. Don't even worry about what you want to do. Maybe what you want to do is not relevant. You know. Maybe you do what needs to be done. Maybe that. Maybe that's my advice. Do what needs to be done. Doesn't matter what you want. Just do what needs to get done. But yeah, I'm going to go because it's late and I'm tired and I'm sleepy. So y'all have a good night. Thank y'all for joining, and I hope to see y'all next time. Peace.